This channel today's lesson is multi-line string. How can create multi-line string? So create variable. So multi-line string variable name and start three quotes to create multi-line string and end three quotes to multi-line string. Start three quotes and end three quotes to create multi-line string and inside the overall string type value. So hello YouTube. Second line is welcome my channel and create code with Anand and zip today. So print out the multi-line string. It's like it's some loaded. It's my computer. Why some error? Try again. Oh, sorry. I'm not code this multi-line string is a print out. So print out hello YouTube. Welcome my channel create code with Anand and today is separately. But another way to create this type of string. So hello YouTube like is a new line write welcome my channel and create code with Anand today. Today is enter and this is a new line to changing type of create paragraph type but not a proper way. So print out this value string but separate include one line to have some proper over print out string. So this is the first multi-line string variable and this is a one string one line code but added new line code slash n slash n. So thank you watching this video, like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.